You might think of the internet as this one massive network that's all sort of connected together, one huge thing. And you could sort of say that it is, but in another sense, it's not. It is actually a series of networks owned by distinct legal entities that have all decided to work together, and they all have to have contracts with one another in order to send data across and to say, okay, I'm allowed to send this much data to you in this period of time, right? And that has a consequence for how data travels across the internet. Because you'd think that the fastest way to get data across the internet is the shortest geographical distance with the highest bandwidth. And more or less, your routers are trying to do that. But if a company A owns a router and company B owns a different router, and they don't have a good contract with one another, the lowest cost option also has to take into account the fact that it will cost actual money to send data along that path. And so the router might not take that path, it will take a different path where there's a more favorable contract with company C. And so that then means it might not go the shortest geographical distance or the highest bandwidth distance. It's going to go the lowest money cost option as it travels across the internet, which then has an impact on how data travels across the internet, because these routers are constantly sending different packets to all different places. So I find that interesting. It's like the internet is owned by things. It is owned by things that have to have contracts with one another, and that has a difference in how data travels. Cheers.